Okay, morning birds. Going out the garage door. Oh, Jesus, George is out. All right, I'm gonna turn the light on. Garage light. Hey, George. All right. Garage door. First thing I'm gonna do is lift this and let Fiona. This is Fiona. Front birds. I let her go because she's getting bullied always by Dahlia. I'm gonna open this. Hold on. There's history with George and Horatio. So I'm just gonna let Horatio chase his ass. Horatio, that's him. You know, Fiona. Horatio and Dahlia. And these are all the front birds. So Horatio's gonna chase George off. Can't really control that. So if it's raining, which it is not right now. No, it's not raining. But if it is raining, they're just going to want to stay in here until their coop is ready. So I'll show you what that looks like. But since it's not, they probably want to go out here. So if it's not raining, if it's raining, leave them in the garage and just get their coop ready. If it's not, what I do is I grab Fiona. She's kind of the key. I know, baby, I know. Pretty little Fiona. I grab her. See, she's running out already. And I just put her somewhere. Usually I'll just like put her down up high so Dahlia can't get her. Okay. So they'll probably want to hang out. I'm keeping the back coop birds in their area for now because I don't want them mingling. I'm going to just have them go. If they go far enough, I'll bring the back birds out. See, George, he flies up. He's not stupid. But if these guys just keep lingering. See, they're going over there. Okay, awesome. They're going over there by the catio. Hey, Buster. Oh, look, a hummingbird. I mean, not a fucking hummingbird. Oh, my God. Okay, they're going, so I'm gonna now, since they're far enough away, we need distance from the two coops. Hey, George. Now I'm gonna let these guys, just so they can get out. All right, back coop birds. I know, George. Hi, Pepper. Okay, you wanna pull up and then down. It's a baby gate. All right, so Pepper is gonna come out. Okay, Littles is gonna come out first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab Pepper and get her to go. So I'm gonna grab her first and then the others will follow. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna just chaperone them to the back. I'm gonna open the gate and then open the back coop so they can hang out while I deal with the fronts. I'll be back. Okay, the backs are in. I opened the back coop for them. Pepper's laying an egg. Everybody's in, so I will deal with them once I'm done with the front. Front birds are still hanging out. Again, if it's raining, no one's going to want to hang out. So you just do it very separately. But they don't get much time to play, so I'm letting them just take their time. Okay. there'll be some latex gloves in the house. You could use latex gloves. You'll see these gloves around. You could use them for cleaning the coops. Orange buckets. We use orange buckets. And I've got an orange bucket here. And if it's full, half full, full, just go into my garden area and you'll see. Just dump it in any one of the beds. You'll see compost. I'm just dumping them straight into my beds. So that's where they go. I'm just gonna do a quick poop pickup. Just some like the obvious stuff. Make sure you get the poop on top of the table where Fiona eats. Anything obvious. And then I'll come back.